Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video, itutuloy natin yung ating series on order of operations, yung PEMDAS na tinatawag, or parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, pag nag-compute tayo, dapat ganyan yung order. Parentheses muna, and then exponent, and then multiplication and division, whichever comes first, and addition and subtraction, whichever comes first. So, importante, ito yung sinasabi kong whichever comes first, ipapaliwanag ko ito sa example 7, So, start tayo with example 6. Kaya pala tayo example 6 dahil meron na tayo na unang video, So, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, puntahan nyo lang yung zip9.com and then look for PEMDAS Order of Operations Part 1, yung unang part nitong video na to. So, negative 3 times 2 plus 4 divided by 3. So, dito, wala tayong debate dito kasi naunang parenthesis, So, ilan dito? 2 plus 4 is 6, So, hindi muna natin gagalawin yung iba, negative 3, times, ito lang gagalawin natin, magiging 6 siya. And then, divided by 3. So, magiging, ito, perform from left to right. Sabi ko kanina, pag magkasunod yung multiplication and division, perform from left to right. So, negative 3 times 6 is 18. Divided by 3 is equal to 6. Okay? So, ito na yung sagot natin. Oh, sorry. This is negative 18 kasi may negative tayo. So, this is negative 6. Okay? Number 7. Now, I want you to take note of number 7, kasi yung sinasabi ko kanina. Whichever comes first, Multiplication and division, whichever comes first. Pag magkasunod. Okay, number 7 is 6 divided by 2 times 1 plus 2. Okay? Parenthesis, wala tayong debate. Nauna ang parenthesis. So, pwede natin galawin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. 6 divided by 2 times 3, Ito yung ating, ito yung 3 yung ginalaw natin sa loob. Okay? Now, notice that 2 and 3, multiplication ito, Yung parenthesis, ibig sabihin yung multiplication. And from here, nauna yung M sa D. So, ang karaniwang ginagawa ng mga estudyante dyan is inuuna nila to kasi nauna nga naman yung M, D. Well, mali yun, Pag magkasunod, tignan nyo, magkasunod yung operation na negative tsaka, magkasunod ng operation na division and multiplication, you perform from left to right kahit mauna yung division, So, dito uunahin muna natin to. Yung MD, pag magkasunod, acts as one unit. Interchangeable ito, yung M tsaka D. Pag magkasunod lang yan, So, since ito magkasunod, uunahin muna natin yung division kasi sabi nga natin from left to right. So, dito muna tayo mauuna sa 6 divided by 2. So, magiging 3 times 3. Ito yung 3 natin yung red, which is equal to 9. Notice that pag inuna natin to, magiging 6 ito, di ba? This becomes 6. And 6 divided by 6 becomes 1. And this is wrong, So again, pag magkasunod yung operation, M and D, ganon din yan sa addition and subtraction, pag magkasunod silang dalawa, you perform from left to right. So you be careful sa mga ganyang given. Pag magkahiwalay sila, what is 6 times 3 plus 5 plus 6 divided by 2. Pwede unahin mo to dito kasi may pagitan silang plus, Pero pag mga ganitong given, it doesn't matter kasi magkahiwalay naman sila kahit unahin mo to. Definitely, kukumputin mo rin to, di ba? So, yun, nagkakaroon lang ng ganitong cases pag magkasunod yung operation, ano, na from left to right. Magkasunod yung multiplication and division or magkasunod yung addition and subtraction. Okay, number 8. 4 squared minus 7 plus 3. Okay? So, 4 squared tsaka parenthesis, exponent tsaka parenthesis, unahin mo na yung parenthesis. But anyway, magkahiwalay itong dalawang ito kahit alin. May mga cases na kahit alin actually, ano. But just to be consistent, unahin muna natin ito. Nasa parenthesis, magiging 4 squared minus 7 plus 3. 10, ano? And then multiply na, i-simplify natin yung 4 squared, magiging 16 minus 10, which is equal to 6, ano? Okay? So, tignan nyo ito, kapareho siya ng 6, o ng 8, sorry. 4 squared minus 7 plus 3. Ito, nasa loob naman ito. Ng parenthesis yung 4 squared minus 7. So, unahin muna natin yung nasa loob. I-ignore muna natin to. So, ang nasa loob is 4 squared minus 7. Anong unahin? Minus ba? Subtraction ba o yung exponent? Exponent muna, di ba? So, magiging 16. Exponent is 1. 16. And then minus 7 plus 3, ano? So, unahin natin dito, nasa loob ng parenthesis. 16 minus 7 is 9. Plus 3 is equal to 12. Ano? Okay? So, yan yung mga examples ng parenthesis, exponent. Ano? At syempre yung misconception usually nung magkakasunod na sign na plus, minus at magkakasunod na times, divide. Ano? So, siguro mayroon pa tayong isang video on mas complicated pa na mga given. Ano? So, maraming salamat. See you in the next video.